Well, it looks like they're going to prove me wrong on this one. Oh well, let's talk about it. YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Green Ranch Homestead. Just got a load of hay in, 25 bales. And I thought, you know what, we'll make a little video about the hay. And kind of talk about what we chose and the reason why. One, cost. Right now, hay is going up because it's winter season. We don't have enough. So what we found was a gentleman selling first cut for $4 a bale. So what is first cut? Well, let me show you. All right, folks, we're out here by the goats. They probably will knock into us a few times. They're eating the first cut hay. What is first cut? Let me change this. What is first cut? Well, first cut is the first cut of the season. Usually, it will have certain brassicas, timothy grass, and perennial rye. I am no expert, trust me. Me an expert, ask someone else. But as you can see there, some perennial rye. We look through it, there's some brassicas, other grass, probably Kentucky blue in there. Let's see if I can find something I'm looking for. Goats jumping off. Part of the bale, I don't see any. Let's see. Open this up a little bit. Plenty of perennial rye in here. And some other long grasses. Other part of this bale had it. Well, all right, we're back. Next day, actually, phone died. Getting back to the hay. If you can see right here, that's Timothy. So Timothy grass. That's in there. That's what I wanted to show. All right, let's try this in the garage. It's cold in here too. First cut hay. Where were we? Showed you some timothy, some perennial rye. First cut hay is essentially the first cutting of the year. It's all spring growth, so it tends to be very lengthy, very stemmy. It tends to be a lower protein, if I'm correct. And it's not the most desirable hay to begin with, especially for our animals. Now, on the goats, on the other hand, it's fine because they like a stemmy type food. They don't mind seed heads, this and that. So they do pretty good on that. The sheep, they don't really like it. It's not really green. It's got a little brown in it. It's also old. I mean, it was cut 2021 in the spring. So more than likely, it was cut Memorial Day weekend. That's usually when they cut around here, is Memorial Day weekend for the first cutting. So we're going close to 9 months old. So it's gonna be brown a little bit, especially on the outside because oxygen gets to it. The inside's gonna be a little bit greener. So there's gonna be all types of grasses in it. You know, it doesn't mean that first cut's the same for everyone. If you go to alfalfa fields, first cut alfalfa is first cut alfalfa. But in the sense of just regular old hay in a hay field around here, first cut alfalfa or first cut hay usually is timothy, perennial rye. There's some other grasses in it, and that's pretty much it. There might be a hint of clover, but usually not. Second cut around here is usually going to find some timothy left. There will be alfalfa, there will be clover, there'll be other kind of grasses and this and that. So why do we choose first cut? Like I said at the beginning, it's cost. $1 a bale more really isn't much, but it does cut into your bottom line a little bit. And when you have goats that will be willing to eat first cut hay, and they're the biggest, pickiest eaters, you kind of go with them. The sheep will eat it. they get hungry, they're going to eat it. And I gave them a full bale last night, and there was just a hint left, so it shows that they're not the happiest about it, but they ate most of it. So that's the reason why we go with first cut hay, is really about cost, and also the goats like it. The goats also will eat my second and third cut that I can get. Essentially, we had second cut off the field here, which was filled with tons of red clover. And that's what they really like, but not this time around. But we went with the square bales. The guy said, hey, I got round bales. He'll sell them to me for a really good price. And he goes, we can get them off the truck. We can roll them right into it. So that's what we're going to do next time, is do round bales. So I'll update later on this. But that's it for today. That's why we chose first cut. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to try to stay warm and get some water to the animals and not let it freeze. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for all the new subscribers, and I'll see you around again. All right, bye. End note. Yeah, it's that bright because it's snowing. Let me turn. End note. They really don't like this hay. They should, but they don't. Oh well, we'll go through this, get them on to second cut. Second cut will be more tender. Learn from my mistakes. All right, thanks again.